Did you know that many people struggle to lose weight? It's true. Losing weight and keeping it off can be really tough. We've all been there. You start a diet with the best intentions. You're excited to see the numbers on the scale go down. But then life happens. You get busy, you get stressed, and those cravings start to creep back in. It's so easy to fall back into old habits. That's why finding a diet plan that is easy to follow and fits into your lifestyle is so important. You need a plan that is sustainable. You need a plan that is healthy. And you need a plan that gets results. There's a new plan that's getting a lot of buzz, the 56-day diet plan. People are talking about it, and for good reason. It's not just another fad diet. It's a comprehensive program designed to help you transform your body and your relationship with food. The 56-day diet plan is broken down into phases. This helps you ease into the program and make gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits. No crazy restrictions, no starvation mode, just healthy, delicious food that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. This diet focuses on whole foods. It cuts out processed junk. And it teaches you how to make healthier choices that you can stick with for life, ensuring long-term success. Let's be real. One of the biggest challenges with any diet is hunger. You're cutting calories, changing your eating habits, and your stomach is wondering what's going on. The 56-day diet plan addresses this head-on. The plan includes plenty of protein and fiber. These nutrients help you feel full and satisfied. You'll be eating regular meals and snacks. This keeps your blood sugar levels stable and prevents those energy crashes that can send you running for the cookie jar. Another common challenge is meal prep. Who has time to cook elaborate meals every single day? The 56-day diet plan keeps it simple. It offers easy-to-follow recipes and meal ideas that fit into your busy schedule. Section 456, Days of Deliciousness. What's on the menu? Okay, let's talk food. The 56-day diet plan isn't about deprivation. It's about enjoying delicious, healthy meals that fuel your body. You'll be eating plenty of lean protein, like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Fruits and vegetables are a big part of the plan, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And don't worry, you don't have to give up carbs entirely. The plan incorporates healthy carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. The plan also emphasizes portion control. You'll learn how to listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. And don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Section 5. Real people, real results. Success stories and cautionary tales. In this section, we delve into the real-life experiences of individuals who have embarked on the 56-day diet plan. These stories are a testament to the power of determination and the impact of making healthier choices. The 56-day diet plan has helped many people achieve incredible transformations. From shedding pounds to gaining a renewed sense of vitality, the results speak for themselves. These before and after photos are not just images, they are milestones of personal triumph. Online, you can find inspiring stories of individuals who have lost weight, gained energy, and improved their overall health. These stories are filled with moments of joy, from playing energetically with their children to enjoying nutritious meals that fuel their bodies. They talk about how this plan has changed their lives. Many share their journeys in interviews and support groups, offering insights and encouragement to others who are on the same path. Their experiences highlight the importance of community and support in achieving health goals. But it's important to remember that everyone's journey is different. Each person's body responds uniquely to diet and exercise, and what works wonders for one individual might not be as effective for another. This diversity in experiences is what makes each story so valuable. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find a plan that suits your lifestyle, preferences, and health needs. Comparing different diet plans and making informed choices can help you tailor a strategy that works best for you. Some people may experience challenges with the plan, such as cravings, slip-ups, or difficulty sticking to the guidelines. These obstacles are a natural part of the process, and it's important to acknowledge them without feeling discouraged. It's crucial to approach any diet plan with realistic expectations. Setting achievable goals and working with a nutritionist can provide the guidance needed to navigate the ups and downs of the journey. Weight loss is not a linear process, and there will be ups and downs along the way. The scale might not always reflect your efforts immediately, but progress can be seen in other ways, such as increased energy levels and improved mood. The key is to stay consistent, stay motivated, and focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes. Long-term success comes from building habits that you can maintain over time, rather than seeking quick fixes. Remember, every small step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Section 6. Beyond the scale. Is the 56-day diet right for you? This is a question many people ask themselves when considering a new diet plan. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. The 56-day diet plan is not a magic solution. It's not a quick fix that will solve all your weight issues overnight. Instead, it's a structured program designed to help you jumpstart your weight loss journey and develop healthier eating habits over time. This diet emphasizes the importance of meal planning and preparation. By taking the time to measure ingredients and cook healthy meals, you can gain better control over what you eat and how much you consume. This can be a crucial step in developing a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. But it's important to consider whether this plan is the right fit for you. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to evaluate your own needs, preferences, and lifestyle before committing to any diet plan. If you're looking for a quick fix or a crash diet, this plan is not for you. The 56-day diet is about making lasting changes to your lifestyle, not just shedding a few pounds quickly. It's about learning to make healthier choices consistently. This is about making lasting changes to your lifestyle. Incorporating regular physical activity, such as yoga or other fitness routines, is also a key component of this diet plan. Exercise can help boost your metabolism, improve your mood, and support your overall health. It requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to make healthy choices. Keeping a health journal can be a helpful tool in tracking your progress and staying motivated. Writing down your goals, meals, and exercise routines can provide a sense of accountability and help you stay on track. Before starting any new diet plan, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and conditions. They can also help you set realistic goals and develop a plan that's tailored to your unique situation. They can help you determine if the plan is appropriate for your individual needs and health conditions. Remember, the goal is to create a healthier, happier you, and that starts with making informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Section 7. Your journey starts now. Take control of your health. This is the moment to make a commitment to yourself. Embrace the challenge and get ready to transform your life. Losing weight and improving your health is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain for the long term. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. The 56-day diet plan can be a valuable tool to help you along the way. But ultimately, the power lies within you. This plan is designed to guide you, offering structure and support. But your dedication and effort are what will make the real difference. It's time to take control of your health and make choices that support your well-being. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Whether you choose to try the 56-day diet plan or explore other healthy eating options, remember that consistency is key. Tracking your meals and progress can help you stay on course. Use tools like food journals or fitness apps to keep yourself accountable and motivated. What are your thoughts on the 56-day diet plan? Have you researched it or considered how it might fit into your lifestyle? It's important to find a plan that aligns with your personal preferences and goals. Have you tried it or any other diet plans that have worked for you? Sharing your experiences can be incredibly valuable to others who are on a similar journey. Your insights and tips might be just what someone else needs to succeed. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other and offer support. Your story could inspire someone to take that first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier us. Working together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Celebrate each other's successes and offer encouragement during the tough times. And don't forget to check out our other articles for more healthy eating tips and tricks. Our resources are here to help you every step of the way, providing you with the information and inspiration you need to stay on track. Together, we can make lasting changes and enjoy a healthier, more fulfilling life.